Welcome back, fellas. The other day, right, I was on Google and I wanted something like rust prevention type things. I was looking at like wax oils, and one thing that kept coming up, right, was this stuff by LanoGuard. It's called a Moto spray, and it also comes with, this has been in hot water. It's like, when you get this, it's like hard. It comes like a wax. Parcel's just arrived. It comes like a wax. They call it a grease. I don't know the difference between a wax and a grease, but to me this is more like a wax. Like at room temperature it's rock hard, then like obviously when you warm it up it goes like all sloppy. I put it back in the warm water though. But when I watched the video on it, it's pretty simple, right? All you do is you get like one of these, like a trigger spray, and all you do is literally you just, wait there, I'll show you, wait there, I'll just undo this all you do is you get your little trigger spray, right? You unravel the lead, the cable, the hose, whatever. Open this up. This is like for like panels. This is like for nuts and bolts. But I think I'll put this on the coilovers on the Subaru. Yeah, just open this. Doesn't really smell of much. It's like, it's hard for you to see. It's like a brownie colour. But all you do is you get your hose thing and you give it a bish bash bosh to the end. Put that in there. That was easy. Then you can just spray it out. Give it a few pumps just to get the stuff moving so you're coming up the hose. It's got like a mist spray. See, like deodorant. But if you turn the end, you get like a water pistol, and you get like all your little box sections. But there's loads in here. I'm guessing this is going to do at least these two cars. I'm going to do the Sierra. It never really gets wet, but you might as well just lash a bit on, do you know what I mean? Just to keep it rust preventative. So we'll start the Sierra, then we'll do the Subaru. Let's get cracking. So literally, all we're going to do is get underneath, get our little nozzle, and just spray it on everywhere. No. Oh, disaster. Best mop that up, Amy, knackers. Still got plenty left. From what I understand, this is like a lot of farmer type people buy this stuff, and they do like the tractors and the Jeeps and stuff with it, like the 4x4s. Simple job to do this though. Absolute piece of cake. Piece of cake. Let's do the other side. Got to get in all the little crevices. But that took not even 5 minutes. If you had a 4-post ramp, that would take you like literally 2 minutes. Like proper easy to apply. The longest bit is prep with everything. But if you could just clean it all underneath like the night before and then let it dry, that's what I've done with the Subaru. Like I jet washed it all the other day. I've done under all the arches underneath the best I could. So you don't have to have it spotlessly clean. You just need like the lumps of mud and that off. But if you're just using this without the grease, without this, then seconds, man, seconds. We'll do this car now. You can also put it on your driveway if you don't want your driveway to rust. That bit of driveway is never ever ever going to rust now. So there's a heart of each place, like right under the car. So all I'm going to do is, if you turn the end, see how it's like a mist at the minute. That's going to get my car there. Straight down. See how it's like a mist, right? If you turn the end, it goes like a jet, then you can just blast it from a distance. Check it out, check it out. Watch, see the holes that are over there? We'll see blast it in. There's the one there, we'll get that. Got it. This car's never got a rust, is it? It's not a bad job to do this, you know. I'm going to do my daily car with this. Like I've got an Audi A4 I drive every day, but I use that through the winter. I'm definitely going to do that car. Like, look at this, right? There's a hard to reach place here. It's got like a little hole in the box section. What are we enjoying it, man? I'm putting this on far too thick, but it's not going to do any damage, is it? More rust prevention. Watch that sprayed in there. It's coming out these holes further along. Must be getting in everywhere. I think this might take a while to dry. I've put loads on. Get on, son, get it on. Do the other side, then we're done. Oh, apparently this stuff will like protect rubber and that, so you don't need to mask anything up. You literally just blast it on everything. There we go, fellas, done and dusted. I've used pretty much all of it, but to be honest, I went way overboard on the Subaru. Plus I spilt a load on my drive. If you're interested in some of the LanoGuard, oh, by the way, I didn't even use the grease. Oh, it's gone hard again. I didn't even use the grease. It smells nice. When you look on the website, this is meant for like the nuts and bolts on your car, but I've just gone overboard with a spray bottle. But if you're interested in the LanoGuard, I'll leave a link below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.